Hello and welcome to 94.7 Media. This channel is mostly dedicated to a 1994 Mazda RX-7 that I own and operated since I would say about mid-2000s. The car has been with me through thick and thin. Owning a rotary is a whole different experience, so I figure in this day and age, you guys should come along for the ride, see what's going on. So today we arrived at my friend's house, Alex. He's gonna be my co-host for this episode. We are putting on the tire stickers. This is Alex. Everybody say hi to Alex. And this is the handoff. This is, I believe, is what you need to finish the job here.
Let me see, please.
Yeah, so now that he has the pieces, let's see what he's been up to. Apparently he was trying to wrap the wheels, at least give it a go, see if we're gonna be able to do it. What I would like to do when we're done with this is kind of get a little bit more of the original color of the other set of wheels that I have, which is of a goldish color. I would say it's more like a brush gold, but we have this copper and I think it will look very nice. So when we're done doing the stickers on the wheels, and we are actually gonna wrap the center of the rims as well.
The distance, what kind of distance was supposed to be?
The distance should be, it's actually really good here. It should be a finger. And then you want to do the same here, maybe a finger, finger and a half. It's a good distance. As long as this distance and that distance match up and it looks like you're a little off there, there you go. We should be good. Ultimately, I don't want a lot of space here, just about a palm. So yeah, we're looking good. I should mention the reason why I chose Zoom Zoom is because the team of my RX-7 is Zoom Zoom. So, have you done this before?
First time.
Yes, he's moving like a professional. I've done it once. It wouldn't qualify as a good job. But if I need, I can put this camera down and I'll help him. I'll give him the one finger help that he deserves. Or needs, whichever one comes first. So the reason they give you this is just to kind of align everything, and we're using this still as a guideline. We're gonna do one at a time, and we're gonna cut away at it as we go along from piece to piece. We probably do that also for these. Probably not necessary, we just have to peel it. But ideally, you just want to lay it down in the position that it falls into when everything's aligned, and just wait for a little bit to cure. Do you have faith that will stay there?
Yeah, I have fatal stay.
Okay, well, that's what I want to hear. Faith's important. Fantastic. So you started cutting it here to make sure that we are able to put it down the way we want it. When we realize everything is according to plan, everything's going well, we ended up doing it as a big piece. And that's how you do it. The leathers as well, just individual if you need to. But since the tire is clean and you have a good adhesive surface, we don't need to do that. This is kind of the end result. There is another film on top of this that keeps everything nice and clean. We remove that at the end, but for now, this is actually the application film that we're removing. And like I said, there's a little bit of overspreadage of the glue, but it's very minute. So we're, in fact, on this one you can barely see any. So it's important to stay away from the edges. One final wheel with tire stickers.
Bellissimo.
All right, there we go. One Alex and 2 wheels. And still 2 more wheels to go. That's pretty much it. Now we have all 4 wheels done, as you can see right here. The wheels done. Now the tire stickers are already on them. The next part of this project is to actually wrap the center of the rims so we can make it this color right here. So Alex is preparing the material so we can start wrapping the actual rims.